Hello everyone, this is Emily. We came to Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. People come here for the warm weather, beautiful beaches, hotel resorts and condos, lots of places to shop. And you come here also for the good Mexican food and a good margarita. This video is part one of a cooking tour we took in Cabo. It takes you to the local mercado to buy the ingredients and some tips on how to pick the right ingredients. We will show you how to make a perfect margarita with a special flavoring. Our chef tour guide Francisco will cook several authentic Mexican dishes. So let's go!
Sí, Francisco?
Sí.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'll be right with you. So I need a place to park.
Okay, great.
Bye-bye. I have a private class for you.
Oh, nice.
Okay, it's only you today. So we're gonna start right here, the mercado. So when we finish here, we're gonna take a little ride to mi casa tu casa. We're gonna cook in my kitchen.
Sure.
But we're gonna make a stop in a tortilleria.
Yeah.
Okay?
Claro.
Sí, señor. Okay, and then besides the carnitas, we're gonna make something else, like the salsa that you call pico de gallo. We call it salsa mexicana.
Ah,
See, or salsa bandera, because it has
Oh,
the
yeah,
three colors
bandera.
of the Mexican flag.
very good.
So salsa mexicana, pico de gallo, some refried beans. You're gonna make your own tortillas also.
Okay.
Okay? Do you
Bueno.
drink? No.
Oh, perfecto.
See, okay, because we can make. I mean, if you wish, we can show you how to make a good margarita.
Ah,
Sí.
okay, sure.
All right, vamos.
Okay.
So also, when you pick up your lime, try to pick up the smooth ones.
Oh, smooth ones.
Yeah, smooth.
Huh?
They're, see, this is kind of rough.
Rough.
So
That one is smooth.
smooth. Okay?
Yeah.
So this is more soft and juicier, and this one is more rough and hard and no juice. Okay. So, do you want to pick it up or?
Oh, it's okay. You
or
the boss.
Okay.
I'm the camera person.
Okay. Okay. There you go. So, you know, So today we will make any
Poblano?
like a chile relleno, but with the poblanos, we're gonna make a dish. It's called Rojas de Poblano.
Oh.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to make this. It's really good.
Oh.
So they have to be all hard. See?
Hard.
Not too soft. See, and also when you take the stem, it has to be hard on
Loose?
this area. No.
Oh, the
Hard,
inside.
inside hard.
Ah,
Because when it's
inside.
kind of loose or that, it's bad inside. It's very soft.
It's,
bad inside.
yeah, it's overripe or something.
Yes. Okay, so
Oh. That's like a good one.
yeah, I have orange.
Where does that go?
In the Carnitas. Flavor.
Orange in the carnitas. Okay.
Avocados, they're always hard to pick it up.
Mucho avocado.
See? Te gusta, te gusta. Está
Yes.
bien.
Peppers are always part of the ingredient in the Mexican food. Here he's showing us two different kinds, serrano and jalapeno. Serrano is usually shaped long and skinny. And the other one is the jalapeno, which is a little bit more spicier than the serrano. Garlic is a must ingredient, and of course, cilantro. The fresher it is, the better.
Roma tomato.
We're
Oh,
gonna take those couple
cactus.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm gonna let you try some cactus today. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, but,
Whatever you can show me. I love Mexican food.
all right.
Better give a bueno.
Looking around.
Okay. Sí.
All vegetables,
Yeah, bonita.
green tomatoes, red avocado, cactus, garlic.
They also like they raise chicken here, and also they make a lot of different kind of cheese and mole. You know mole is?
Yeah.
The mole sauce, the chocolate sauce.
Yeah.
So the original name or the real name of the mole is a chocolate sauce. See? So like mole is a short word and also it's a Nahuatl word. So mole means sauce. So like any sauce is a mole.
Mole.
See, like a guacamole is a sauce made with avocado. Okay? And also, almost every state of Mexico, they have their own recipes for mole. The most famous is a mole Oaxaca and mole Poblano. Okay? And right here, they have just the paste. And you can add just chicken broth and you can have mole. Very easy. But to make mole from the scratch, there's a lot of ingredients in it and it takes a little time to make so we make mole just for a big celebration. Okay?
Is that mole sauce that they sell? The
Yeah,
paste?
this is the paste.
Concentrated.
Yeah, just the paste, and you can just add like a chicken broth.
Right.
You have mole. This is the butcher shop right here. So right here we can find chicken, beef, pork, lamb, goat. Lots of different. As you see, most of the meat is fresh. Pásale, jefe. See, all fresh. And we almost eat like a Filipinos. We almost eat everything from the animals.
Nothing
The
goes
pork,
to
no,
waste.
No. All the pork
Muy
feet,
bueno.
the pig feet,
Sí.
chicken
Right?
feet.
Bueno.
The tripe, the
Intestines.
stomach, and that's everything. Heart, liver, cojones. ¿Qué le hace? ¿Qué onda? Dame un kilo de puerco, tierra y un kilo de esa costilla.
Next stop is the tortilleria, which is a tortilla factory.
Alright, so these guys, they wake up early in the morning, like a 4 in the morning, start working, making tortillas, fresh tortillas every day.
Oh.
So and they deliver tortillas to taquerias, loncherias, restaurants, and also they have a lot of people walking. They buy tortillas. Also they fill it up all these coolers,
Oh.
and they bring it to like a little market,
Yeah.
and people they just go there and buy it.
Like a factory.
Fresh tortillas all the time.
It's a factory.
Yes, this is a factory, tortilla factory here. And this is the hominy here. And then before they ground it, they have to boil it with limestone. See, to take all the skin off. And they just ground it right here with water. And they use volcanic stone wood grainers to ground it, and that comes into a masa. So this is the masa. So this is the masa that we use for tortillas, tamales, empanadas, tostadas, enchiladas, everything. So corn is a base of a meal. Everything is corn and beans, okay?
90% of this
And 10% of that.
and 10% of the flour.
It's a corn meal also. It's not a
Is this the two of them together mixed? So this is the mixture of the corn and the flour. It's very hot, but it's so good. It's soft. Not like the kind you buy at the store.
After the shopping was done, we are now on the way to his house to start the cooking process. We drove through several housing developments in a nice part of the city. We have now arrived at his home. Francisco is going to make margarita for us.
Lime juice.
Yes, fresh
good.
stuff.
That's the key of the margarita.
What is that?
Called tahini.
Tajin. What is that made out of?
Tahini is made with a little bit of the pepper, salt, and lime juice. So margarita, it was made for the first time in Acapulco in the 1948. The lady who made this drink for the first time, that was her name, Margarita. When she made this drink, it was only tequila, lime juice over ice with the salt on the rim. That's it, nothing else. That was just the original margarita. So we're gonna start with a shot of the tequila.
So what brand of tequila is this?
This is Don Ramon,
Don Ramon.
Reposado. The orange liqueur, you can use Contro, Gramanier, Controy, or Triple Sec. That's it. We're gonna do a little touch of this. The touch of the house is a hibiscus.
Oh, that one he was showing me. The flowers, dried
hibiscus,
flowers.
Dried flowers, yes. This is also on sweet.
So did you soak it and put
We
it in
soak it
there?
in a water, like a hot water, and we just leave it like settle for a little bit, 2 or 3 hours, and then just recollect the water with a strainer, and that's it.
Very good.
This we're gonna use like a
So it has that little bit of
Banana.
sweet flavor.
kind of.
Smell it. Can you-
But this one has tequila, so they will have tequila. I'm gonna let you smell it a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, looks more like
Like blood.
a rum punch or something. I'm gonna taste this hibiscus syrup. Very good.
And lick the spoon.
Bueno, muy. So now we proceed with making the salsa mexicana. We chop up the red tomatoes, onions, and parsley. For the guacamole, the avocados are cut in half and scooped out of the skins and put in the black molcajete to be mashed. Molcajete is the Mexican version of mortar and pestle.
We're gonna add some salt and pepper and garlic powder to the salsa mexicana, okay? And a little bit of the lime juice. I use some of this to put it in there, so they have already the lime. Okay, so I'll show you before we do this. So this is called quality control.
Yeah.
Wow.
Delicioso.
What do you call salsa casera?
This is salsa mexicana.
Very mexicana.
Sí.
What do we call that in America, honey? That's,
Pico de gallo.
pico de gallo. Sí, sí.
Pico de gallo.
Sí.
We have on the table chicharron and tortilla chips. Chicharron are pork rinds. These are eaten by dipping it in either the guacamole or the salsa mexicana. Having the fresh ingredients made the salsa so very tasty. We will continue part 2 of this cooking tour on the next video. We will be cooking Rojas Poblano, salsa verde, cooked in 2 different ways by boiling and grilling. Also pork carnitas and tortillas. Also copied the recipes that are on the comment section below. So you know what to do. Ring the bell and click the button and subscribe. So until next time, so long for now.